Langchain is an open source framework that simplifies creating AI applications using large language models. Using Langchain, you can integrate any large language model with your application, whether it is GPT from OpenAI, Gemini from Google, or open source LLMs like Llama or Mistral. This course is for students who have completed my Python for Beginners course or for anybody with knowledge of Python. This is Bharat Tippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor.
We will start this course by learning the fundamentals of GenAI and large language models. We will learn what Langchain is and how it simplifies building LLM-based applications. We will set up an OpenAI account and you will also run open source models like Llama and Mistral on your local machine. We will then use all these models from within your Python application through Langchain. You'll build beautiful web-based interfaces to your Langchain applications using the Streamlit Python library. Prompt templates make our prompts dynamic and reusable. You will create and use prompt templates while working on an application that suggests traditional cuisine given the country and language. You will learn what Langchain expression language is and use it to create chains where the output of one chain will act as an input for the next chain. We will create a speech generator application while using multiple models within a single Langchain application. We will learn why we need to maintain chat history, and we will maintain chat history using the Langchain's message history and message placeholder classes while building ChatGPT-like applications. Embeddings allow us to find similarity between text. It could be words and sentences. So we will learn how to calculate embeddings using the embeddings model. We will then store those embeddings in a vector store and retrieve them while building a job search helper application. We will then move on to the advanced concept of RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, and build a chatbot that answers to the customer queries based on the data we provide to the LLM along with our prompt. We will build image processing or image analyzing applications while using multimodal models. Agents use LLM as a reasoning engine. We will create AI agents that will work on a task given a set of tools.
Enroll now and master Langchain in easy steps.